Hi, this is Mike at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm here today to take you on a video walkthrough of my new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard listing. Starting in the back here, you can see that the boat is equipped with a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. The boat does have the optional sea deck on the swim platform. Here is your ski tee. This boat has the black side hull color, and it has the optional silver graphics package. This boat is equipped with a bimini top that has a boot. It also has a cockpit and a tonneau cover with it as well. You can see that the interior color is stone. Lots of storage space here on this boat. If you take a walk back here, you will see that there is a built-in cooler. There is additional storage finished under this cushion. And then under this cushion is a removable cooler. In the back, this boat has an enormous amount of storage because it is an outboard boat. Of course, this boat does have the optional flip-up backrest as well. Some more storage here under the port side. Both of the captain's chairs have flip-up bolsters. There is storage here in the floor. Here is a lockable glove box. Storage under the port side. Pretty spacious. As you can see, the flooring is the optional Infinity vinyl. This boat does have the upgraded stereo. It has the 5-inch Simrad screen. The motor has 64 hours on it. Here's your Fusion stereo. And you have a tilting steering wheel. Down below here, here's your 12-volt and USB plugs. Here is your digital throttle. In the bow area, plenty of seating, stereo speakers. This boat also has the optional stainless steel upgrade package. And on all 210 SPXs, both cushions on the port and starboard side have finished storage beneath them. Here's a great look back to the back of the boat. Thank you for taking this video walkthrough with me today. Again, my name is Mike. If you'd like to see this boat in person and take a personalized tour, or you'd like to speak about or see any of our other options or any of our other inventory listings, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My direct number is 609-601-4550. Thank you.